Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most interesting features OpenAI has been working on. We're also going to talk about their major move into healthcare, a new legal setback in Europe for OpenAI, and fresh questions about OpenAI's financial strategy. There's a lot happening in AI world. I'm Vida and welcome to Tek Tuk Time. Let us start with the new feature because it could reshape how people work together inside ChatGPT. OpenAI is actually preparing to announce something called Group Chats. The idea is very simple. Instead of everyone having separate conversation with the AI, multiple people will be able to join the same chat at the same time. One shared conversation, one shared context with ChatGPT participating whenever you ask for it. So what makes it especially interesting is the level of control OpenAI plans to give to users. You will be able to set custom instructions that apply only to that group. You can decide whether ChatGPT should respond automatically or stay quiet until someone tags it. And you can adjust how active the AI should be in overall, almost like setting its personality for that specific discussion. It's more flexible and more collaborative approach than what Microsoft Copilot currently offers. And if OpenAI follows its pattern of December releases, we may see this feature very soon. Now, while this is happening on the productivity side, OpenAI is also preparing to step into a completely different industry, and that's healthcare. Several reports suggest the company is developing an AI health assistant, possibly paired with a platform that can organize and analyze personal health data. What's the goal? The goal is to help users understand their medical information, receive personalized insight, and get clear guidance when navigating health questions. So this shift follows a series of strategic hires that we see in OpenAI, including hiring Nate Gross, which is the co-founder of Doximity, and also Ashley Alexander, who previously worked at Instagram. And during a recent presentation of OpenAI at HLTH conference, OpenAI revealed that ChatGPT now sees nearly 800 million weekly active users. A large percentage of those interactions already involve health-related questions. So the demand is clearly there, and that's why they're moving to healthcare. We know that OpenAI is expanding, but it's also facing new challenges. A court in Germany just ruled that OpenAI violated copyright law by training its model on song lyrics without permission. The case was brought by GEMA, Germany's main music rights organization. According to the court, the model's internal handling of those lyrics, as well as its ability to reproduce them, both count as copyright issues. OpenAI actually argued that its models don't store the text directly, but the court didn't accept that explanation. So this ruling sets an important precedent in Europe and could have implications for other types of creative content used in AI training. OpenAI also faced some backlash recently after its CFO suggested that the US government should help support the company's massive $1.4 trillion investment in chips and data centers. Many people think that OpenAI wanted taxpayer money as a safety net, and the criticism came fast. The CFO later said that's not what she meant, but the debate didn't go away. Sam Altman eventually stepped in and made it clear that OpenAI isn't asking for government help, doesn't want taxpayer funding, and should stand on its own. Officials from Trump administration agreed, saying there would be no government bailouts for AI companies. So despite all of this, OpenAI's grow very fast. The company now reports more than 1 million business customers and millions of enterprise seats across organizations like Cisco, Amgen, T-Mobile, and Target. So OpenAI continues to expand its tools, everything from new real-time multimodal features to improve coding tools, to systems that let ChatGPT reason across a company's internal files and documents. But one area that is raising concern is Sora, the OpenAI AI video generator. So Sora capability is very impressive, but the cost of running it is very high. So estimates suggest it costs OpenAI around $5 billion a year to operate, and roughly $15 million every single day. And remember, Sora still isn't fully available to the public. OpenAI has already started limiting free usage and may have to restrict it even more because of GPU shortage. Meanwhile, OpenAI's biggest competitor, Anthropic, is taking a very different approach. According to the Wall Street Journal, Anthropic expects to break even by 2028, while OpenAI is not projected to be profitable until 2030. Anthropic revenue is expected to reach around $70 billion by 2028, while OpenAI's losses over the same period are projected to be roughly the same amount. Many enterprise clients see Claude as the more stable and predictable option, and their strategy is basically is paying off. So the big question is OpenAI expanding too quickly for its own good? Or are these aggressive moves exactly what the company needs to stay ahead in the AI race? I would love to hear what you think. Please share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Tek Tuk Time.